Gio here with 8482 on how to quickly group multiple videos and export them all at once in Premiere Pro. Let's go. On my timeline here, I have over 30 videos that I edited. The key is to get these into individual sequences. Real quickly, how I did that was I highlighted the video, I right click, and I go down to make subsequence, which is then going to bring it into its own sequence in my project panel, where I can organize them in a folder, label them as needed, and ready for me to begin my export. So to do that, I click on the top sequence that I want to export, and I go all the way to the bottom and shift click on that bottom sequence, and it's supposed to highlight everything you clicked and in between. So to export, I just simply right click or Command M on a Mac, export media, go through your settings however you like them, and then simply hit send to media encoder. Now it's going to do its thing, and it's going to transfer all the videos that I selected, all those sequences, and bring them into media encoder to where now I can open up and hit that play button to begin my exports. That's it. Hope it helped.